Oh God. Ah, there he is. Ah, he smashed it. All right, he got off. That's all right. I don't care. I don't care if they get off or not. That is freaking cool. Ah, all right, here we go again. All right, y'all hang on, hold what you got. They're around. Ooh, a bunch of kings down there, guys. Just about jerk your shoulder out, man, when they hit it. This is how they showed me how to troll these lures in Panama like this. Like when you're trolling a live bait or another lure, put out that big popper behind you and just troll it along here. Pop it every once in a while. It'll also help you with your other bait. Look at this. Look at that. Slam, guys. Look here. While I'm popping this lure along, I'm going to do a little talking real quick and give you guys some tech tips. Something I picked up in Panama is when you're popping this big popper, it also will draw attention to your live bait, your hard bait, whatever you're trolling on your other rod. And I don't know if you guys have noticed between the last video and this video, the footage, about half the time they're not even hitting the top water. They're actually hitting your other lure. It'll work the same way with live bait. It's just that commotion at the top of the water back there draws in the fish. It's almost like a fish call, like when you're blue cat fishing, you use a demon dragon rattle, and just seems to draw the fish in. Well, same thing here. Is very, very productive, and this is a technique that I was going to show you and talk about. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on, baby. They're back there. Come on, slam that thing. Oh. All right, guys, we're going to try something different. The topwater bite's kind of slowed down. I got a gold and green Halco 110 here. Hang on, let me get it where you guys can see it. We're going to throw on one of these rods, and then the other one, I got another big Nomad Riptide. Hang on, I'll pull it up here so you guys can see it. We're going to run through that reef again. Nomad Riptide. Caught a big Kobe on this one last year and lost him out of Jeff's boat. Here we go. We'll try this. That one. Let me turn that buzzer off so you guys can get to listen to it. God, he nailed that thing too. All I'm fishing with today, oh, he's in my other line. Shit. That's all right. Maybe I can get. There we go. Maybe. Feels like a good king, man. He's fighting weird. He's just burning the line off. I'll turn this off so you guys ain't gotta listen to it all the time. Golly, wrapped in that line again. Oh well. I'll untangle it here in a second. Keep it out of my rudder. Oh, it's a good king. Oh, you're not gonna break my rod. I know you think you're going to, but you're not. I'll untangle all this in a minute, guys. Let's get this one in. Whew, you got it wrapped 10 ways to Sunday, man. Look at all that mess. Mr. Kingfish, you have decided to totally wrap my stuff completely up. Oh,
Alright. You tricky sucker. I'm gonna have line everywhere, guys. It's hard fishing 2 lures at once. Professor Salt makes it look easy, but it is not easy. Okay, there he is. There's that kingfish. Woo! He ate that halco. We are just, today guys, we're doing a little lure fishing. Ain't ready yet. Why don't you unwrap that line off of you? Alright. Whew. Alright. Where do you got this thing in your face at? Do not sling that freaking hook into me, dude. Really? You're gonna put it right in the corner? Just like the last one. With the front hook. Alright. There we go. See where the sun's at. The old halco, getting it done. Hang on, dude. There he goes. Get out of here. Whew. We're going through them. You can see what they did to that halco already. It's just insane how hard they hit. All right, let's get this one out here. I couldn't even get 2 lines out. Maybe I ought to just troll one for a while. Woo. Smoking. How did he get off? God, that was a good hit. That's what happens when you, well, this dude, they could get me today. Got my number. That was a freaking smoking run, guys. Wonder if he got the lure. He's just trolling along. You had ribbon fish on, it'd be one of those days where you just couldn't keep 2 rods in. See what he did to the lure here. I think we're still good. There it goes. One just hit it. Oh. And I know we lost the GoPro in the process here. One hit it on the way in. Alright. Did he let go? Whew. It's fun watching them hit, huh, guys?
Alright guys, I'm going to pick up a voiceover right here. I guess when I got the GoPro wet when I dropped it in the water during the last fish fight, still had some water in the mic. A few technical problems here, but just an awesome day of kings, man. They were stacked up. You would come across the structure and you could just see kingfish all over the graph. Bait was all over the place. Looked like a lot of glass minnows. Had a lot of almost, I'm pretty sure it was blue runners, could have been hornbellies, stuff like that, chasing the glass minnows. And then underneath that, it was just big, solid kings, just all the way down. Didn't see any sharks. Also didn't run into any cobia jacks or anything else out there, which was very surprising to me. I figured, you know, with the amount of bait, that there was going to be a lot of big predators roaming around. But the next video is going to be the second day. This is finishing up the first day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed checking out the technique that I used. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a go-to for kings for me from now on.
Whew. He's got this boat moving, guys. Moving. Smoking run. We don't want to get too greedy though. Try to take too much line too quick here. Whew. And he took some smoking runs. Smoking runs, guys. See what we got coming up. Whatever it is. Oh, wait. Must be a big king. He ran like a king. Might be a jet. Alright, you gonna pull me backwards? Oh no, it's a huge king, I think, guys. It might be a jack. Hang on, let me look. Oh, God. Big fish, whatever it is. Got the whole reef to myself. You gotta watch these kayaks kind of beat up from the rigs. I'm gonna play this fish out. This is a good one. Oh, whew. Come on, baby. This is the one I've been waiting for today. God, this reef has got some big kings on it, man. Look at this. Woo! Well, he's not a monster, but he ain't little either. Oh! Oh! He's smart, dude. I love it. Ay, ay. Oh. This is why you come for kingfish right here, guys. They are freaking just crazy. Oh, what a day. Thank you, Lord, for this freaking wonderful day. Kings. He's kind of foul hooked. That's why he's fighting so hard, I think. Ah. You can give me my lure back, buddy. I'm running out of lures from you guys. Come here. He was a foul hook king. And that's why he fought so hard. Oh. You foul hook them like that, sometimes they really, really fight. You can get off now and it wouldn't hurt my feelings, dude. Hey. I'm right-handed, but I got the camera on that side, so. Come on, dude. Come on, don't get freaking sharp. Get this lure out of you. Whoa, don't move now. That's the only thing about fishing with lures, guys. Whew, you have got to watch it. Oh man, look at that king, guys. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can get a look at this dude while I revive him. Here. Oh man, what a fight. Here, let's get the sun this way. There we go. Ah, good king. Woo! I love it. Get out of here, buddy. Woo! There he goes.